there is so many fleas on your body, on your hair, you know. So let's go. See, angkat kayak gitu. I wanna know what a love is. Whoa. Can you sit down? Just hello from Jambi, Indonesia. Halo, selamat siang. Today is shiny day and hot. See, I'm sweaty, and I have a plan to showering my dogs. The one, the name is Puntung, yeah, and she have 2 puppies, right? She has 2 puppies, and that is our target. See, ya hari ini panas cuacanya, jadi aku mau mandikan anjing. It's because there's so many fleas on their body, their hair. So I'm gonna showering them with soap. This. Okay, let's go. Karena banyak kutunya, jadi aku mau mandikan anjing ini. Tuh, biar nggak nular ke anak-anaknya yang lain, karena nanti itu akan dimandikan juga. Okay, let's go. Let's go, Tung. This is the target. Okay. Let's go di tempat mandi sana di bawah. Let's go to the bed at the water. I got her. Let's go. Ya, kita mandi ke sana. We have to take a shower. I have to showering you because there is so many fleas on your body, on your hair, you know. So let's go. See, angkat kayak gitu. See, here it is. Oh, I forget the bucket. Wait. Tunggu di sini. Hello. Okay, the camera is on, so you take a shower. Okay, just shut up. Stay here. Stay calm. Stay calm, Ned. The scarf. So stay. It's not fair. Okay. Yes, like that. Mamanya diam aja mandinya, ya kan, Tung? She's old enough, the dog, so she know it's not hurt her. Okay. Bau tuh, you smell is not good. I wanna know what a love is. Whoa. Can you sit down? Just sit, okay, like that. Want you to show me, yeah. I wanna feel love is. Ooh. Want you to show me. Oh. Wait, it's not finished yet. Okay. Nah, not finished yet. So it's not finished yet. Belum siap. A little time, the time is over. In my life. travel so far. Can't stop now. Change this lonely life. Okay. So many fleas, not fleas, right? Fleas. There's so many fleas in their hair, in their body. So stay. No, hey, it's not finished. Shut up. Stay there. Don't move, okay? What's up? My camera kena air. Wait. There is a water. Okay. Marami kena air gitu. Gara-gara kau tuh gak bisa diam. Hey, no. Don't do that. The camera can wait. Okay, last time. Last one. Solving again. Yeah. It's now. Your smell is good now. Put this up. The last one I have to show solving you again. So the fleas will not come anymore. Baunya. Kameranya kena air. Gara-gara kau tuh mampir sakit. In my life, Does it feel cold, right? It's shiny day. I think it's enough, so you can go. Wait. Now you can go. You can go. Wait, I'm gonna turn the camera so people can see how your reaction. Just go there. Okay? Go. I can see. Okay, finish. Thank you so much for watching. Greetings from Jambi, Indonesia. See you in the next video. Stay safe and stay healthy. God bless you. Ciao, ciao. Dadah. Dui dui.